Hi guys, today I will show you the complete guide on how to buy Blockdag with Metamask easily in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Let's dive into it. Here are the steps to buy Blockdag coins. Step 1. To begin, make sure you have a Metamask wallet installed on your browser, or use one of the wallets supported by Wallet Connect, such as Trust Wallet or Plus Wallet. Purchasing on a desktop browser will give you a smoother purchasing experience, and for this we recommend Metamask. If you are purchasing on smartphone, we recommend using Trust Wallet or Plus Wallet. Step 2. Once you have your preferred wallet provider ready, click Connect Wallet and select the appropriate option. For mobile wallet apps, you will need to select Wallet Connect. The purchased cryptocurrency will be sent directly to your wallet. You can then use these cryptocurrencies to purchase Blockdag coins. Step 3. Once the presale has concluded, you will be airdropped your Blockdag coins. The exact date and time of the airdrop will be revealed closer to the time of the Blockdag launch.